Hello students, today I will show you how to create a slide using OpenOffice Impress and how to include themes in it. First we need to open our OpenOffice Impress. So there are two ways of opening the OpenOffice Impress. The first one is you click the window button on your on your keyboard and then this will come. You scroll down, find your OpenOffice Impress. It will be under O, OpenOffice 4.1.5. Click over here and select OpenOffice Impress. You click on it and the screen will come. This is one method. Other method is you can write in the search box, you can write Impress. We will get your link. Click over here and then we get the wizard page. So we can create our presentation from this page. To create a presentation, we need to include a theme in it. Now what are themes? Themes are actually a combination of various formats such as background colors, the font styles, the text color, the text size, what we have to use in a slide. So these are called themes. Theme can be included in our Impress with two methods. First method is you take it before creating a presentation slide. We can include a slide. We can include a theme before creating the slide, and the other method is we can include the theme after creating the slide. Coming to the first method, you can see empty presentation. Then you can see next. Click on next. Here we get this slide designs. So from this slide design, you are going to select any one of the given options. So we will select dark blue and with orange. Then again go to next. All these default options are available. We will just take the default for the first class and we will click on create. So this is one method in which our slide is created, and the theme, you can see the blue background, orange color, title and two lines below it. The text has to appear over here. So this is one theme which is provided to us, and this we have created when we have included when we have created our slide. The other method is we do not include it over here in the beginning, but first we will make the slide and then we will include the themes in it. So let us look at the second method. I will close this. No, I don't want to save it. Okay. So the other method is we'll go with the same route. I'll just write Impress. Click over here. Page appears. The same page appears. Now instead of going to next, we will simply create our slide and then we will include the theme inside it. So we have created, just click on the button create. Now from the create button, you go to this page will come. You can see this menu bar over here, file, edit, view, insert, format. So we will click on format, and from the format we will click on styles and formatting. Can you all see this styles and formatting? In this the shortcut key is F1, F11. So if we want to open our styles and format, we can directly click on F11. So now you can see over here a number of options are available. So now you can just click any one of it. First you can go to background, and from the background double click background, right click on it, modify will come, and then you can modify it. A number of options are available. Under fill area, color, gradient, hatching, bitmap. So say for example I have taken color, and from the color, say you can take any particular color, or if I want to take gradient, then this type of fill is available. Okay. Or if you want hatching, so different options are available. If I select this hatching and I click on OK, so this is the design available on my slide. Okay. So the other method can be come back to it, just a minute. We go to slide design and we can take the slide design from here. This page comes, go to load, presentation backgrounds are available and you can click from here. So now this is available, say OK. So same way, initially we have done when we before creating our slide, we have selected the theme. In the second method, we first created the slide and then we included the theme inside it. So these are the two ways by which you can insert your theme in the slide.